Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI animated avatar. Now it's a very easy process, so in this video we are going to use three different types of websites. Now the first website is HeyGen for our animated avatar. The second website is 11 Labs for our voiceover, and the third and the final website is Leonardo AI for generating our AI animated photo. Now we could have used Midjourney or DID if we wanted to make this, but in that process it was a paid one. So I'm going to show you how to do this for free. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is create a free account on HeyGen, and after creating an account you will get a free credit over here, as you can see. So that means you can use this for at least one time, and if you want to create more videos like that, you can just simply keep on repeating the process of signing up and then making a video. So that's how you can use it for free. Now for 11 Labs, it's mostly free. You will get 10,000 characters over here as an initial bonus. So again, you can use this for free. And now to Leonardo. Now this is a free AI tool just like Midjourney, even better in some cases, and it will give you photorealistic results, as you can see right over here in the home feed. Now again, this is a totally free software. Now in order to use it, what you do is first come to Leonardo, then just simply do a quick sign up, then just simply click on AI image generation. Now over here, just simply upload a photo if you want to, but before that you have to do some settings over here. So just simply choose the number of images that you want, then in photoreal option just simply disable that, then enable prompt magic, then click on the version over here, choose V2, then over here the strength should be about 4, make sure to use that, then click on save. Now in the resolution choose 1024. Now scroll down and upload the image right over here. So click on this box, then upload your image. Now wait for it to upload completely. Now you can increase the image weight over here a little bit. Now add a prompt that you want. Now in my case I've already added a Viking style portrait, as you can see right over here. So now all you have to do is just simply hit generate. Now after you've got your result, as you can see over here, these are very good looking images. Now just simply pick the one that you want. So in my case I'm going to go with the fourth one. So just simply click on download over here. If you want to upscale it, you can also do that. It's totally up to you. Now after you've done the downloading part, go back to HeyGen, create a free account, then click on avatars over here, and over here choose photo avatar over here, then upload the animated file that you just downloaded from Leonardo. Click on open. Now wait for a few seconds. Now it should appear right over here. Now what you have to do is click on the play icon, then click on create video. Now choose which type of video you want, a landscape format or a portrait. So for me I'm going to go with portrait. Just simply choose that and it should appear. Now over here select the image, then click on this option over here and choose this null option over here. Now that will use the image as the main frame. Now extend the image so you can adjust the video as you like. Now you can add black borders at the top and the bottom if you want to. So for that, go to elements, go to shapes, and just simply drag and drop the rectangle. Now you can just simply change the colors to black and do this for the top one as well. You can use the color option over here too. Now after that you will need voiceover. So I've already signed up for 11 Labs and it is again a free version. Now as you can see right over here, I've chosen a free voice model from Voice Library. But if you have a paid version, you can also clone your very own voice. So that's also a very easy process. So all you have to do is go to Voice Lab and click on add generated or cloud. Now over here what you have to do is just simply click on add generated or so over here what you have to do is just simply click on add generated or cloned voice. And over here just simply choose instant voice cloning. So as you can see right over here, you will need to have a subscription for it. Now what you have to do is just simply add chunks of your own voice into the software. So it should be clean and completely clear, and there should be no background noise or music in your voice that you have recorded for the software. So you have to upload few samples and it will take up to few minutes or hours depending on the voice that you have. And after it's done cloning, your voice will be cloned over here. And then you will be able to see your voice over here. Then you can use the voice by choosing right over here. Then you can adjust the voice settings and different language models if you want to. Now after all of that, just simply hit generate. Then in the end, choose download. Now download the voiceover. And now finally go back to HeyGen, add your voiceover. So just simply choose audio script, then click on upload. You can also record it directly over here if you want to. So choose upload your voice file. Now give it a few seconds. Now after your audio is uploaded, click on submit over here. So it is going to take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. So after the video is ready, you can just simply click on this option. Now to download the video, all you have to do is just simply click on download original video and export it in either 720p or 1080p in the free version. So choose any of the options and then click on download original video. Then just simply save the download.
So this is the final result and hope you like the video. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.